Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Kumar Pal. I am from Thakur College of Engineering and Technology. This video is made by me as a part of final assignment of tall building design course from Skyfi Labs. The tall building design online video tutorial from Skyfi Labs was used to complete this project. I have used ETAP software for the designing of this project. So firstly we have to click on the ETAPs. We have to import the file which we have saved. So click on file, open, and then click on final project, which I have saved the name earlier. So it will take some time to open. You can see the plan view on the left hand side and the 3D view on the right hand side. First of all, we have to define the properties of the material used. So we have already designed the material. You can see by going define material properties, you can see we have assigned various material properties. Similarly, we have to define section properties of different section. So I have already defined the section properties of the section. So you can see here over we have defined the section properties. Second step is to assign the load. So I have already assigned the load, which can be seen by you by going on design. No, sorry, you can go on display, you can go on load assign and go on shell. Load pattern, select dead load. Load type value as uniform load and click on OK. You can see the dead loads over the span over here. Similarly, I'll show you how you can view the live load. By clicking this, you can view the live load on the structure. You can see the live load is applied to the building. Similarly, you can go on display, load assign, shell load, and select wind load. You can see now the wind loads have been applied to the structure. So I have already run analysis previously, so I'll unlock this now. So now we can do analysis on the structure. So for doing analysis, we have to click on analyze, click on run analysis. It will be taking some time, so we have to wait until the software runs analysis on the structure. So we can see on the 3D view that the deflection displacement value have been seen over here. So by right clicking any of over here, we can see the displacement value in any place of the structure. So after that, we have to go on design part. For that, we have to go on design. We have to select concrete frame design, and first of all we have to go on view revise preferences. See over here that the IS code selected is IS 456-2000. Then click on OK. Then after that we have to go on design, concrete frame design, and start design check. The software is now checking concrete design. so it will take some time. We have to wait for that. You can see the progress of the design over here. So you can see the section of the members are different, so we have to rearrange according to the section. So what we have to do is click on yes, and after that we'll be knowing this. The size of the member are increased. The software will automatically select the best suitable design procedure. So click on yes. You can get the reinforcement detail of the longitudinal reinforcement detail over here by clicking on this. The detail of the longitudinal reinforcement are displayed over here. So the final step is to see the member have been passed or not. So click on design, configure frame design and verify all member pass. So finally we have seen that all the frame members are passed the design check. So click on OK. You can view the report by clicking over here, project report. So automatically the report will be displayed over here and every minute detail of the design will be displayed over there. So this is how we have done the design of the tall building. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can see the report also over here. This cannot be downloaded since the version we have downloaded is not for commercial use. It is for evaluation version. So we cannot download the report over here, but we can see everything over here. So hence we have completed the design of the tall building. Thank you so much.